Hello there, subbies and not yet subbies. Even though that flat twist out was the bomb.com, I needed to henna my hair and I decided to put it away again afterwards because I don't really want to be messing with it next weekend. So this new Kanekalon style is going to stay in for probably a week and a half to 2 weeks. Want to see how I did it? Stay tuned. Before trimming / thinning, got a cousin it thing happening here. Final thoughts. Good things about this hair. It's soft. It was very long. I'm not wearing it the full length, but if someone was looking for a style that they could have almost waist length hair, then they could use this hair. It's not too prone to tangling. Cons. It's a little more slippery, so it's wanting to sort of come out and loosen itself. It's also wanting to puff out more and more as kind of the day goes on. I think of that as a con. You might think of it as a pro depending on what kind of look you're going for. It's a bit too shiny, so it's got more of a fake hair look to it than the other stuff. And I think that's about it. Anyway, as always, I will keep you updated if I come up with other styles to wear this in other than sort of hanging down or a headband. I did the whole head this time so that it could be a real protective style, but I don't like this part showing loop action thing happening here. I liked it better the way I did it the last time with the loops here, and I could cover them with a headband. It did make it look more realistic. Anyway, I guess whenever I do it again, I'll probably go back to that braiding pattern. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.